In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to print stickers from Adobe Illustrator step by step. If you want to create your own sticker sheets for planners, packaging, laptops, or even to sell online, Illustrator is one of the best tools you can use. The good news is that the process is actually very simple once you know the correct setup. I'll walk you through setting up the document, preparing your sticker artwork, creating that clean white sticker border, arranging multiple stickers on a page, and finally printing everything correctly so the size and layout come out perfect. If you find this tutorial helpful at any point, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump straight into Adobe Illustrator. First, we need to set up our document correctly for sticker printing. Open Adobe Illustrator and go to File, then click New. A new document window will appear where you can choose your page size. If you are printing on standard sticker paper, most people will choose either A4 or letter depending on where you live. For example, in the United States, letter size is common, while many other regions use A4. Make sure the orientation matches your sticker sheet, usually portrait. Next, look for the color mode setting. If you are sending your stickers to a professional printing service, choose CMYK because it is designed for print colors. But if you are printing stickers at home using a regular inkjet printer, RGB usually works perfectly fine. Once those settings are ready, click Create to open your new document. Now it's time to prepare your sticker artwork. Import or paste the design you want to turn into a sticker directly onto the artboard. Make sure your design stays completely inside the artboard area because anything outside of it will not print. If your sticker design contains multiple elements, such as text, shapes, or illustrations, it's a good idea to group them together so everything stays aligned. To do that, select all parts of the design and press Ctrl+G on your keyboard. This groups the artwork into a single object, making it much easier to duplicate and move later when we create our sticker sheet. Next, let's create the white border that most stickers have around the edge. This border is what gives stickers that clean die-cut style appearance. Start by selecting your artwork, then go to the top menu and click Object, then Path, and choose Offset Path. A small window will appear asking for the offset amount. This determines how thick the sticker border will be. A value between 3 and 5 pixels usually works well for most sticker designs. After entering the value, click OK. Illustrator will create a new shape around your artwork. Select that new shape and change the fill color to white. Now your sticker has a professional-looking outline that will stand out once printed and cut. Once your sticker design is ready, the next step is arranging multiple stickers on the page so you can print an entire sheet at once. This helps save paper and makes the process much more efficient. Select your sticker, then hold the Alt key while dragging the design across the artboard. This instantly creates a duplicate copy. Continue duplicating the sticker and placing them in rows across the page. Try to leave a small gap between each sticker so cutting them later is easier. If you want more precise spacing, you can also go to Object, then Transform, then Move, and click Copy to duplicate the sticker evenly across the page. Before printing, we need to quickly check the print settings to make sure everything comes out at the correct size. Go to File and then click Print. In the Print Settings window, confirm that the scale is set to 100%. This is very important because any automatic scaling could change the size of your stickers. Also double-check that the correct printer is selected. If your printer has advanced options, choose the paper type that matches your sticker paper, such as glossy or matte sticker paper. This helps the printer apply the correct amount of ink. Now here is a very important step that many people skip. Always print a test page before using your actual sticker paper. Load regular printer paper first and print the design. Then check the alignment, margins, and sticker sizes. Make sure everything looks exactly the way you want. Once the test print looks good, you can load your sticker paper and print the final sheet with confidence. And that's it. You now know how to design and print stickers directly from Adobe Illustrator. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Illustrator tips, design tutorials, and simple software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.